me.
We're trying to fix here today. So this has had some sort of water leaking issue. It's had problems for quite a while now. You can see by the interior it's all, well, half it's missing. Effectively I think it's damaged some of the circuitry either in the ECU or the dials itself. It's lost the programming for the immobilizer. So I thought the best situation here would be to replace everything, everything which is coded for the immobilizer. So the key, the dials and the ECU have all been replaced in terms of we have the new parts here. I'm going to stick them all in and we're going to see if it works. So the first job here is the fuse box. I can't remember where anything goes. I took photos in my old phone which no longer turns on. Luckily enough I've got a new fuse box. The next thing I have to do is remember where all the wires go. Yeah. Right, I've kind of guessed this based on the fact that a higher capacity fuse is going to need a thicker cable. I think that's right. I've copied it off these two as well. So we just have the battery compartment now. This one mysterious cable. And then we're putting these bits in.